Welcome to part 2 of setting up a post-process cell shader. This video will cover the setup of a post-process volume, creating a material, an instance of that material, and setting it up in the post-process volume. First up, you want to create a new material. Do this by right-clicking in the content browser and selecting Material under Create Basic Asset. Name it something like ppm_CelShader. Then create an instance of this material by right-clicking the new material and selecting Create Material Instance. Then we want to add a post-process volume to the scene. From the Modes panel on the left by default, under Volumes find Post-Process Volume and drag it to the scene. Select the post-process volume under the World Outliner, and in the Details panel under Post-Process Volume Settings, check Infinite Extent. Infinite Extent applies the volume to the whole scene, whereas if this isn't checked, it will only apply the volume to the scene while the camera is within the bounding box. As can be seen, when I move in and out, the effect vanishes, and when I re-enable Infinite Extent, it applies it to the whole scene again. Next, apply the created instance to the post-process volume. Select the post-process volume in the World Outliner and in Details, under Rendering Features, expand Post-Process Materials. You will need to add an item to an array. After this, click on Choose and select Asset Reference. Select your instance in the content browser and click the little left arrow next to the input box for the material. In order for the material to work as a post-process material, the material needs to be configured as one. Open up the material, not the instance, and under Material Domain, select Post-Process. You will notice that only the emissive channel is now enabled. Thank you for watching this video. The next part will start covering setting up the material. Subscribe to keep up to date with content. Thank you.